Welcome back. Today we are making aloe vera scrub. We are going to be using sugar, so we are going to blend our sugar. The reason is to make the sugar to be more gentle on the skin. So we'll blend our sugar for some seconds, and then we're going to make this scrub. We are choosing to make this aloe vera scrub because aloe vera is very important to the skin. It's anti-aging and it reduces blemishes on the face. It moisturizes the skin and it clears out acne and pimples. So that's why this aloe vera is very important in skincare. As you can see, most of the ingredients we'll be using to make this scrub can be found in your kitchen. It is easy to prepare and has so many benefits. We know like turmeric is very good for the skin. Turmeric brightens the skin. And we're also going to be adding honey. These are all things that are very beneficial to the skin. Honey is anti-aging and also moisturizes the skin. So these are all things that can be found in your kitchen, as I've earlier said. If you're looking for that scrub that will give you that glow that you want, make you looking younger and sweet 16, try out try out this aloe vera face scrub. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.